Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Bianca. If you're always here, welcome back. And if you're new, you should subscribe and stick around. So today we are headed to the gym per usual. We've got legs today, and then we've got turtles and dolphins later. So we're very excited. Yeah, leg day, wearing Whitney's, Simmons, Gymshark. Okay, it's gonna be a good leg day. Hopefully. There's not that many leg machines or like things to do for your legs there. So yeah, it's kind of hard, but we're gonna make it work.
We can do wall sits.
To the gym we go. No way. Got back from the gym. I took a bunch of time lapses on my phone. I'm gonna put those on my Instagram story, but I'm gonna place you over here. I just made my shake, vanilla and greens. Yeah, we need to like shower, get ready. I need to upload a video. Suit is from the brand Love Wave. Look at the back, it's so cute. So yeah, I think I got this off of Revolve. Actually, I'm pretty sure I got this off of Revolve. It was on sale. That's like my biggest advice is if you're gonna buy a bathing suit from Revolve, get it in like the off season when it's on sale. So yeah, here's today's little look. Okay, so we just biked like 5 minutes to 7 Mile Burger. We heard really good things about this burger place, and they've got like crazy good burgers, it looks like, from the menu. So we'll let you know. It was like 4 minutes from our hotel bike riding and like a mile walk basically, but I successfully rode a bike, so we're fine. Guys, look what we just found. They literally have this at the restaurant. It's Trivial Pursuit.
And pub trivia.
And I was just Googling trivia questions.
Do pub trivia.
Oh my god.
We've never done that.
I can't even believe it. Here's my burger. I got a classic burger with sweet potato fries.
So it's 207
Got the
plus
same
it.
thing with regular fries.
Mine's coming.
Yours is coming. Wow.
The toasted ones rock. For shame.
Okay, so we just got dropped off at Turtle Bay.
That's nice.
CAYMAN Turtle Center. Yeah, okay, the people here are so cool. We love CAYMAN, guys. But we're about to go see some turtles and dolphins. And we almost biked here, but it was like the longest ride ever. And my mom was really trying to convince us, and I said no. What it looks like.
Right here's the door, guys.
Whoa. Goodness. They're so big. Which one's Crush? There he is.
Let's go find Squirt.
Squirt. There's babies? I like can't even get over this. This is crazy. They're so big. Look, there's like more. I kind of feel really bad, guys, but I really wanted to see some turtles. I think they're just hungry.
Just 'cause they're like looking against the wall.
Yeah, it's not where you're supposed to be. Go in the ocean. I'm using my iPhone, guys, because Colin's got the good lens camera for the travel diary. Colin. Oh, okay, so they have these tanks that you can go in, and you just pick them up, which is crazy to me. They're in there.
Right there in front of you.
Look at that one. Say hello.
Oh, you can
Okay, this is bad. Okay, I promise I won't touch you again. Cute, but I feel bad. I'm
I
done.
know. I think that water it's not really very cold either. Do you want me to stop this?
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm back from the iPhone footage. I just want to let everyone know that we're leaving because we feel really bad for all of them, and I know that they're like rescued and trying to rehabilitate. We just feel bad. So
Yeah. We don't like zoos.
it was, I would like to point out, we thought we were going into like a cove, and like we didn't know that it was like an actual facility. So yeah, we just feel bad. So I mean, it was cool to be able to hold them, but in that moment they probably hated us. So you know. It, the gift shop, just like Disney. Nice stuff.
Yeah, you get off that ride and you gotta go through the
Alright, that was fun for like a second, but yeah, you know, we're good. Okay, now we're at this dolphin place. I'm still on iPhone because here's the travel diary action.
follow this guy.
Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. They're so smart.
I think.
Oh, I kind of got
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Okay, should we go down
Look,
there?
they must
Oh my
be-
goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look, babe, look.
Oh my goodness. They're so cool. They're so happy.
Oh my gosh, this is going to happen. Why you are not swimming? You should swim. I know, we can swim. Yeah. So you come in here? Yes. And what do you do then? Like, you swim like one other No, there's no problem. Yeah, I can answer. How long have you worked here?
I figured they'd come up. Oh.
I came here in February, but I was working
We've made it to the pool now. We're gonna sit, relax. Everyone from Isagenix left, so now there's barely anyone here. It's crazy.
I know, it's like a ghost town.
And we got drinks. It's a rainy day in Grand Cayman. It was like kind of raining earlier. Then it, yeah, pretty much monsooned as soon as we got back from the dolphins and stuff. But it's okay. My hair is in like a little top knot on my head. I'm wearing the Sarah's Day romper with this like same color jacket over it. I'm too much of the same color, and I acknowledge, but I don't have any other jacket. So we, hold on, let me just put you down so I can put on my chapstick because my lips hurt too bad. We are going to dinner at this restaurant that's on our resort. Honestly, we've been eating a lot at the resort because if you venture off, you have to take a taxi.
At least $20 there and at least $20 back.
Right, so that's like $40.
Minimum, and that's only if you go like within a mile and a half. You go further, it's like 30.
It's like 30.
35.
So that's why honestly we've been eating so much at the resort, is because it's already expensive to begin with on this island. And if you're
That's
gonna
like an
pay
extra
for that, that's
$60.
like an extra $60. But then here, that's like more drinks we could get, or something, or just not even spend that money, you know. So it's more so, if you're in Grand Cayman, I'd more so pick a place where you can eat at your resort. So we've tried like the whole menu down by the beach, and now we're about to go to this restaurant. It's reservation only, and it's a lot nicer. So we've been waiting to eat here, so tonight we're gonna go and do it. And yeah, our reservation is at 6:30. It's like 6:10 maybe, and it's just right downstairs. So, but they have like Spanish tapas. It's like Mediterranean, so I'm kind of excited. And then yeah, tomorrow we are for sure going to Stingray City and snorkeling and stuff. So I'm not gonna wash my hair until tomorrow after that, because if you have extensions and you get them wet, you have to like wash them pretty soon after that. So planning on snorkeling tomorrow, therefore I'm just gonna wait, and then I'm just gonna kind of like touch up my makeup just a little bit, but we're going all natural because it got really rained on for real. We just made it to dinner. This place is so nice. Oh my goodness. Tapas pretty much, but here's calm, here's our little view, but it's storming, and then here's like the rest of the restaurant.
I love it.
It's really,
It's so beautiful.
yeah. They didn't ask, but we wanted it anyway. Okay, there's like sun-dried tomatoes in this. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so here's my drink. Oh, it'll focus.
Here's mine.
I didn't get a mojito. Mine's called agua fresca, and his is like a version of a pina colada, but like different. I don't know. They're new cocktails that their restaurant's rolling out. Have you tried it? Is it good?
Wow.
Good?
Really good.
Oh, good. I can't wait to try it. I have like a huge iceberg in mine. Okay, that's pretty good. I wish I got a mojito. It's good. I like yours better than
Yeah,
mine.
it's really good. We can switch if you want.
It's okay. Alright, here's our appetizer. Wow, it's like Caribbean lobster. Alright,
I feel like just by looking at it, it looks
I'm
so much
back
better.
on my mojito game. Oh my god, I regret not ordering this in the first place.
No,
I know. Okay, this is dinner. Holy crap. This is literally at the restaurant at our hotel. Lobster mac and cheese. He got New York strip and I got snapper.
Been to a lot of places since we've been here.
We've been, no, hold on. We've been to a lot of like good restaurants in our lifetime.
Been to a lot of good restaurants.
Of dating.
This restaurant.
Blew our socks off.
This restaurant takes the cake.
Like not even wearing socks anymore.
This restaurant is for sure probably the best restaurant we've ever been to.
In our life. Holy crap. Even if you're in Grand Cayman and not staying at the Kimpton.
We're
Aren't
also
you a little Mary Bud over here?
We're also
Please.
a little lit. We had a pretty good amount of cocktails today.
Yeah, because the waitress was like, oh, you don't want to try one of our new signature cocktails? And I was like, oh, sure. So then I did. It was just not what I wanted. So then I went with the original strawberry mojito order. It was freaking phenomenal. Okay, so I had to make up for what I was missing out.
Oh my goodness. But yeah,
I feel like we've been lit at least once in every vlog.
I got the New York strip and then she got grilled snapper, right?
Yeah.
And both were like incredible. The
Like-
snapper was really good. We also got was it lobster mac and
Caribbean
cheese?
lobster and lobster.
Lobster mac and cheese.
Lots of lobster.
And Caribbean lobster for our appetizer. But the mac and cheese was our side.
Yes, and then we
And
got
then we
this
had-
dessert that just blew.
I
That's
had
what
this
took my socks
I had this
off.
pineapple cocktail that they made and it was called the Lamborghini of
Pina
Pina
coladas.
coladas. It was actually amazing. I don't care. I
Yeah,
drink girly drinks.
I mean, even the other drink that she had me have was like good. I just like mojitos way better. I texted my mom because she didn't come with us, and I was like, dude, last night, like tomorrow, it's our last night. I was like, we're going back, and I'm gonna order the same exact thing, like identical to what I got, for sure.
You're gonna
Okay, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So good, and then we came back and literally passed out. Colin's so sunburned and we're just beat. So yeah, we are actually leaving today. So this next vlog that you see is gonna be our last day here. So make sure you're subscribed, stick around. We're about to head back to rainy and freezing North Carolina. We can't wait. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed and we'll see you guys in the next video.